Hello everyone! Welcome to Everyday English Excellence. Let's start learning. Excuse me, where can I find the dairy products?
Sure, you can find the dairy aisle at the back of the store. On your left.
Thank you. Do you know if there are any discounts on milk today?
Yes, all the milk is currently 20% off. Enjoy your shopping.
Excuse me, could you help me find a dress for a special occasion?
Certainly. The women's clothing section is right in the center of the store.
Great. Are there any ongoing sales or promotions on dresses?
Yes, all dresses are currently buy one, get one 50% off.
Hi, do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check for you. Yes. We have it in a smaller size right over here.
Perfect. Can I try it on before purchasing?
Of course, the fitting rooms are right around the corner.
Excuse me, is there a restroom in the store?
Yes, the restrooms are located at the back of the store, near the electronics section.
Thank you. Also, do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards at the checkout counter.
Hi, can you recommend a good brand of coffee beans?
Certainly, our most popular brand is right here. It has a rich flavor.
Thanks, I'll give it a try. Is there a grinder nearby?
Yes, the coffee grinders are just at the end of this aisle. Enjoy your coffee.
Excuse me, where can I find the pet food section?
The pet food aisle is in the far left corner of the store. You can't miss it.
Thank you. Is there a variety of brands available?
Absolutely. We have a wide selection of pet food brands to choose from.
Hi, do you have any gluten-free products?
Yes, we have a dedicated section for gluten-free products. Follow me.
Great. I'm also looking for organic fruits. Where can I find them?
The organic produce section is right at the front of the store.
Thank you. By the way, do you offer home delivery services?
Yes, we provide home delivery. You can inquire at the customer service desk.
Hi, is this the line for the checkout?
Yes, this is the line. We have a few registers open to serve you quickly.
Thanks. While I wait, could you recommend a good magazine?
Sure, our magazine section is right next to the checkout. Take a look.
Excuse me, do you have a loyalty rewards program?
Yes, we do. You can sign up at the customer service desk for exclusive discounts.
Thank you. Is there a specific aisle for cleaning supplies?
Yes, cleaning supplies are in the middle aisles. I'll show you the way.
Hi, I'm looking for a gift for a friend. Any suggestions?
How about a gift card? We have a variety of options near the entrance.
Thanks. Do you have any upcoming sales or promotions?
Yes, there's a big sale next weekend. Keep an eye out for flyers at the entrance.
Excuse me, where can I find the frozen food section?
The frozen aisle is towards the back of the store, on your right.
Thank you. Are there any new products I should check out?
Yes, we just got some new items in. I can show you the display.
Hi, is there a pharmacy in the store?
Yes, the pharmacy is on the far right side, near the health and wellness section.
Thank you. Do you sell reusable shopping bags?
Yes, we do. You can find them at the checkout for a small fee.
Excuse me, where can I find baby formula and diapers?
Baby supplies are in aisle 12. Follow the signs. You'll find everything you need.
Great. By the way, is there a section for ethnic or international foods?
Yes, the international foods aisle is near the back of the store, next to the spices.
Thank you. Do you have any recommendations for a quick and easy dinner?
Our prepackaged meals in the deli section are delicious and convenient.
Hi, I'm looking for a specific brand of shampoo. Can you help me find it?
Sure, the health and beauty aisle has a variety of shampoos. Let me check for you.
Thank you. While you do that, could you also point me to the sunscreen section?
Sunscreen is in the aisle across from the pharmacy. I'll guide you thereafter.
Excuse me, is there a section for kitchen appliances?
Yes, kitchen appliances are on the right side of the store, past the electronics.
Thank you. Do you have any sales on small kitchen gadgets?
Yes, the kitchen gadgets are currently on sale. Look for the sale signs.
Hi, do you carry eco-friendly or biodegradable products?
Yes, we have a section dedicated to eco-friendly products. It's near the entrance.
That's fantastic. Also, do you have a customer service desk in the store?
Yes, the customer service desk is near the entrance. They can assist you with any inquiries.
Thank you. By the way, do you provide gift wrapping services?
Yes, we offer gift wrapping services. Just head to the gift wrap station near the checkout.
Excuse me, where can I find allergy-friendly snacks?
Allergy-friendly snacks are in aisle 9. Look for the free from section.
Thank you. Do you have a preferred customer program or loyalty card?
Yes, our loyalty program offers exclusive discounts. You can sign up at the customer service desk.
Hi, is there a sale on fresh produce today?
Yes, all fresh produce is 10% off today. Take advantage of the special offer.
Thank you. By the way, where can I find reusable water bottles?
Reusable water bottles are in aisle 6. Look for the display near the sports section.
Great. Do you sell compostable or biodegradable trash bags?
Yes. We have a variety of eco-friendly trash bags in the household supplies aisle.